In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your data to Microsoft Excel over on Salesforce. So do kindly watch the video till the end. The first thing you need to do, you have to add an extension to your browser. So just simply type Salesforce Inspector. After that, in the Chrome Web Store, you can access the Salesforce Inspector. Just click on Add to Chrome and it will automatically add it to your browser. Alright, so Salesforce Inspector is added to our browser. Now you have to go back, and from here I'm enabling this extension. Alright, so let's move to the leads. So let's say I'm want to export the leads, all the data from here. Now you have to refresh the page, and after that you will see the Sales Inspector option right here. So just click on it and click on Data Export. Now just simply type the data you want to access in the export query right here. And so let's say I'm writing something. So if you want to export the ID, simply type ID from contact and just click on export, and all the IDs will be displayed to you. Now if you want to put this to Microsoft Excel, all you need to do, you have to click on copy Excel format and just open your Microsoft Excel and just paste it over here. So you can see our data is in the Excel format. So this is basically how you can export data in Microsoft Excel from Salesforce. So all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.